How you doing this morning? This is another beautiful day in Mr. Stump land. Here we are taking down a medium-sized maple removal. The homeowner's sick of it. He thinks it's going to blow over on his house. I told him there was a slight chance of that, but not very good chance of it, and he still opted to do it. So here we are doing it. This is a lot of the reason why the homeowners are choosing to remove this tree, because the root system goes all the way within a couple feet of his foundation. Sooner or later, it would have got into his foundation and done major damage. I'm gonna have to grind from where we are now all the way over to here. But see this spot in here? See this is all starting to decay. So it creates a real weak point in these leads. It very well could be hollow, but it's our tone until we get into it. You know, the homeowner wouldn't really be able to do this one on their own unless they've had some previous experience. Just because it was halfway over the house, over all three fence lines and the neighbor's shed. And you get up there and it could turn into something bad really quick.